Ever wondered how to navigate the web like a pro? Today, you'll learn how keyboard shortcuts can boost your speed and efficiency. These brilliant little combinations of keys are the secret weapon of the savvy web user, helping you to zip through tasks in a fraction of the time. Let's start with navigation shortcuts. Want a new tab? Just hit Ctrl-T on Windows or Command-T on Mac. You can switch between tabs with Control-Tab or Shift-Tab, and if you're feeling a little cluttered, close a tab with Control-W or Command-W. Accidentally close the wrong one? Don't panic. Control-Shift-T or Command-Shift-T has you covered, bringing that tab right back. Now let's talk about going back and forward. With Alt-left arrow, you can travel back through your browsing history, and with Alt-right arrow, you can go forward. Need to refresh a page or bypass the cache? Use F5 or Control F5 on Windows or Command-Shift-R on Mac. Up next, we have the magic of tabs. Using Control number on Windows or Command number on Mac, you can teleport to specific tabs. Feeling adventurous? Use Control 9 or Command 9 to switch to the last tab. If you need two of the same page, duplicate the current tab with Control D or Command D. And don't forget, you can pin important tabs with Control-Shift-P or Command-Option-P. Bookmarking is a breeze with these shortcuts. Open the Bookmark Manager with Control-B on Windows or Command-B on Mac and add the current page to your collection with Control-D or Command-D. We're in the bonus round now. Open a new window with Control-N or Command-N, print a page with Control-P or Command-P, and unearth hidden text with Control-F or Command-F. Master text selection, copying and pasting with Control-A, CV, or Command-A-CV. And if you make a mistake, undo it with Control-Z or Command-Z and redo with Control-Y or Command-Shift-Z. These are just some of the many shortcuts available. Explore your browser's settings and menus to discover even more. Embrace these shortcuts, and soon you'll be navigating the web with the speed and agility of a true keyboard commanding pro. With these shortcuts under your belt, you're ready to navigate the web with lightning speed. Imagine the time you'll save, the efficiency you'll gain. It's like a superpower right at your fingertips. And remember, practice makes perfect. Integrate these shortcuts into your daily web browsing, and soon they'll become second nature. You'll be zipping around the web like a seasoned pro, leaving the days of click and scroll far behind. So go forth, explore, and become the keyboard commanding pro you were always meant to be. Now that you're on your way to becoming a web browsing ninja, we'd love to hear from you. Share your favorite shortcuts and how they've turbocharged your web navigation in the comments below. And if you've discovered some hidden gem of a shortcut, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with our community. Your interaction fuels our content. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up. To keep the tech tips and tricks coming your way, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Happy browsing!